Welcome to part 2 of creating a product. We're not going to go through the whole thing that we did in stage 1. Instead, I'm going to start with the test product that we've got here, and we're going to modify it to become a variable product. So if we go back into edit product, scroll down to the section with the pricing and everything in it, and we can see here that this is currently set to simple product. I'm going to cancel all of these scheduled stuff, get rid of that, and change this to variable product. So now you can see that's gone because we're going to have different prices depending on our variation. Inventory on here, again, the stock management is still there, but we want to adjust our stock management on a per variable product basis, not on the whole lot. You've still got your product code in there and then your barcode. Shipping, same thing here. You've got your weight, your dimensions, and your shipping class. However, this may change depending on the size of the product. So if we've got a 1 litre and a 5 litre, they're going to be different weights and different dimensions. Link products, still got the same stuff in there. Attributes, so this is where we will create our variations. So for example, for this product, we are going to have whether it comes with products or not. So options, without products, and then to create a new one we have to put this line in like this, and then we're going to write our second option, which is with 6 boxes of product. Going to save that. We might also want one for, I don't know, say color. So let's add a new one. We're going to call this stand color. And we're going to have the option of black or white. And we click Save Attributes on there. So now we've got those saved. If you want to expand it, you can just click in the blank area and it will expand it. And make sure that it says Use for Variations and Visible on Product Page is ticked. Just double check that one as well. Now we'll go across to Variations. And you can either manually add these, or we can get the computer to do it for us. So I'll click Generate Variations. This will do a maximum of 50 per run. So if there's more than that, you're going to have to press that Generate Variations button a few times. And now it's generated. You can see that we've got options without products in either black or white, and with products in either black or white. So if we extend the top one, this is without products. And what we'd want the website to do is when people select the option without products, we want it to show a picture of what they're actually getting. So this is the stand without a product. Set the variation image. We're going to set a regular price on this of £100. It is currently in stock. You can change the status here if you want it to be out of stock or on back order. And then you've got your manage stock option in here as well. So if you click that, you can then add in your quantities and whether you want to allow back orders or not, the same as we did on our simple product. But we're going to keep it simple for now. We're not going to worry about that. Got a price in there. You may have a different code for this. So, you know, it was DS120 is your basic one, but then it might be black and then without on there. And then you might have a different barcode for that. Cool. So this is going to be display case only. Next one without products is in white. We don't have a picture of white, but if we did, again, we could choose a different picture. I'm just going to set it to the one without. Again, this is going to be £100. We don't charge difference for colour. If you wanted to change the weights and stuff in here, you can, because this is obviously without products in it. go on to the next one with boxes of product. Just select the one with the products on it. We'll put this at 250, which was our standard price. Again, you can change the SKU and the barcode in there, and then we'll do the same for the white version. We're going to set it with products again. This is £250. Change the description again in there if you want to say includes products. Click Save Changes. That should be enough to update it, but I never trust that that is going to do it by itself. So I always like to click Update in the top right corner as well, just in case. So now if we go and have a look at the product and refresh it, it should now be a variable product. Okay, here we go. So you can see now that the price ranges from £100 to £250. And we have got our options here. So we're going to choose it without products, and we're going to choose black. And you can see now that the picture changes to it without any products in. And if we wanted to change it with product, click that, and then we get our picture with the product. And we can change the colours, and you can see that without products it changes to £100, whereas with products it's at £250. So that is how we create a variable product and how we can edit it. So if you wanted to edit it again, go back into the product details, scroll down to the section, click on the variation, and then you can go in, click on the blank space and edit all of these again, and make sure that you click Save Changes there once you've finished. So that is it. Hope you found this tutorial useful, and I'll see you on the next one.